Hi everyone, it's Chloe, and today's video I'm going to be doing palette bingo. So if you don't know what palette bingo is, it's basically where you take a palette and you put in the number of shadows it has in it into like a number generator, and then you pick 3 to 5. It depends on how much you want, how many shadows you want, and then you create an eye look on it. So today I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack Rainforest Palette. This is what it looks like. Very pretty on the outside and also very pretty on the inside. My palette, oh oops, I just didn't. My palette is a little beat up, but yeah, I really like this palette, so I'm really excited to be doing it today. So I have a number generator. Actually, let me turn this way down. So I have the number generator right here, so it's from 35, and then I'm just going to start generating. So 26 is this purple color right here. So I'm just going to take that, and what I like to do is put it on the back of my hand just so I can kind of have like a swatch palette. Right, again. Oops. And we got 20. So 20 is color right here. So I'm also going to take that and I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. So this is what our colors are looking like right now. Again, I'm going to generate it. We got 25. 25 is this purple right here. It's like a purple, like a lavender shimmer. So I got my 3 shadows. I think I'm going to do 3 today. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get right into the look. Alright, so let me move this. So I moved you guys in pretty close. I don't know how I need to be closer. Okay, so hopefully this is good. But I just primed my eyes and we are ready. So this is what the color palette looks like. They're kind of dull, but we have basically like a dark purple, a like hot red color, and then a lavender shimmer. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this first color, and I'm going to take that into my crease. Oh, this is a pretty color. This is oops, a little fuzzy. This palette is a newer buy for me. Or I bought it a while ago, but I haven't played with it as much. So yeah, but this color is really pretty. And there's so many colors. And this palette was $12.99, $13.99 I think when I got it. I think it's the same price. It will be linked in the description box. But it is super affordable. And the colors are like really pigmented and really pretty. So this is not sponsored. They don't know I exist. I just know that I like this palette. Alright, so don't want to bring that up too much because I do want to bring another color, but so now I'm going to take the second color I got, which is that hot red. Hopefully this turns out well. And I'm just going to take that on like a really small brush at first, and I'm just going to kind of blend it right up top, right above the purple, and blend those two together. And even though like it looks like that, when it mixes with, now that it's mixing with the purple, it's almost turning like more pink. So that's cool. Oops. Oh no. I just messed up my eye look. Darn it. Oh well, we'll fix that in a minute. Another brush, I'm just gonna quickly blend those two together. Kind of got carried away on this corner. I don't like to bring it out that much, but I wasn't being as careful. Going back in with that purple, I'm gonna keep it focused on the crease, and I'm gonna kind of darken that crease up a little bit. Just focusing it on pretty much the outer corner and bringing it down into the outer corner of the eyelid. So that wasn't the best cut crease. I've done worse, but yeah. And I'm taking the third color, this lavender color. I'm going to take that and I'm going to pack that right where I cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with that purple, the first purple. I'm going to darken the outer corner. Taking more of that purple into like a really like thin brush. And I'm going to put it on the lower lash line, and I'm focusing it as close to the line as I can get. I'm going to take some more of that red and I'm going to blend those two together in the lower lash line. Go do this eye and finish off the rest of the look and off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so here is the end product. Today was not a lash day. I feel like they look really wonky, so let's not focus on the eyelashes. But yeah, this is the look. I hope I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more of these videos, go ahead and let me know like what palettes you want me to like do a palette bingo with maybe. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more by me, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.